pan adapter when you brought or tried to bring in
Airfields on the air, Golf Bravo to Alpha Fox,
so
listening to M1 PVC. Sorry about the Jenny in the background.
G6TVJ. I was talking about you earlier.
That's the BC348, and there's the Collins TCS receiver.
13 on the WhatsApp group there.
And just to show you, this is the Airfield.
I was quite pleased with the quality of that, actually.
There's the weather station for the Met Office, and there's the control tower for the flying club. I say this is Andrewsfield in Essex for Airfields on the air weekend. Back to the radio.
It works so well because it really looks nice, doesn't it? That's
running an end-fed half wave across two 1944 masts.
There, Ian, and you can put it onto Martin YJO. G6 TVJ to take, M1 PVC.
G6 TVJ.
Beautiful
returning.
audio.
Okay there, Paul, and thanks for the marathon there. You're certainly putting it through its paces, or at least the ionosphere is putting it through its paces. Your signals was dropping quite significantly there, and then right at the end of your oval, excuse me, came right up there. So yes, fickle conditions, and it's just about clinging on to your signal there, Dave, well done on your special event station, and yeah, it's nice to enjoy very low noise levels, isn't it, when you go set up portable somewhere. It's really quite amazing what the difference is. I haven't done any portable this year. I need to maybe get out and go to my
G6 TVJ in Bristol.
It's a bit damp and boggy at the moment. I think we need a few weeks of drier weather before conditions are sort of underfoot suitable for portable operation. Well, not much else to report really. I'll probably make this my final, but I have been listening on and off since quite early this morning actually, so I've heard a few different stations, although I was mostly listening on my phone. It appears the Western-super-Mare SDR seems to be down at the moment, so I hope they haven't got problems. Maybe they'll be looking for donations again. We'll have to start putting our hands in our pockets to keep that thing on the air. But anyway, there we are, and again, yeah, the Redathon is, well, I don't know that much about it. I've seen one or two other ones at auctions and things, and I've become quite curious about it. It's got quite a interesting design with this sort of odometer style frequency readout. I don't even know, really, the topology internally. I think it's got a synthesizer and then a free-running VFO.
Show you the Land Rover.
Additional synthesizer.
And that's the end-fed halfway for 80, very long aerial. Very muddy field, very wet weekend indeed. But that's the view from the airfield. Back to the radio. Oh, and there's the noisy Jenny there.
Some sort of aerial tuning unit as well. I haven't really explored that very much. But you sometimes see these sets with these two options missing. So you see the set with this large front
excellent
panel.
Audio as usual from Ian.
In the front panel, neither of which are filled with anything, and you wonder what's supposed to go in now. But on this one, I've fortunately got those two
BC348
the correct
US Army Air
modules.
Force
But
receiver,
anyway,
1942.
I hope it provides more.
This is an old US Army Air Force base.
Make some more
it's rather appropriate.
It's only got very small
the Collins TCS, that's also an American transmitter.
Sometimes people's transmission.
And that's the great big power supply over there.
To the size of the speaker and the receiver, and then sometimes they're not. So I think it's always down to combinations of equipment and, of course, personal preferences also. Anyway, nice to hear a few stations on. I'll pass it over to you there, Martin. Time to get on with a few things. I've got a 405 line TV on the bench at the moment, which I'm doing some refurbishment work on, so I need to need to get back to that. So 7.3's all, and back over to you there, Martin. G3YGO from G6 TVJ.
Yeah, G6 TVJ, G3YJO, just pause in case
huge signal
Dave
from
was
Martin.
going to try and come back in, but very quiet then, so didn't hear anything. Well, very nice signal, Ian. You were peaking, a bit of fading up and down, but looking at it, you were between sort of 15 and 20 over with various sort of cycles of fading. And certainly Dave, AAF, GB2 AAF has a very nice signal here, a good 9+10, and sounding good. And the tweak to the modulation has certainly made it sound a bit more pleasant with this R107. Right now, what was it I was going to comment on? Okay, on your precision resistors. Well, if it's 0.025%, then that's pretty well lab standard, that's for sure. So very handy things to have for that.
Okay, need to fill the Jenny.
Need